56 days. That's the amount of time it takes for the human body to replenish the red blood cells lost after donating blood. According to the Red Cross, a majority of the population cannot give blood, whether it be for travel reasons, low iron, or perhaps a recent tattoo. Jeff Smith highlights the importance of participating.
The Red Cross is in a constant need for blood. Approximately 38% of the public is eligible to donate. Only a fraction of those people donate.
It takes around an hour for the whole process of giving blood, from the moment you walk in until the snacks and drinks at the end. Jody Miller has worked for the Red Cross for 26 years and knows the importance of giving blood and stresses the constant shortage.
We're always trying to play catch up. We never have enough on the shelf that gives us that surplus where we don't need certain types. We always need pretty much every type.
The types of blood determine who can receive those donations. An interesting fact Jody shared is O-negative blood can be donated to every blood type. However, it can only receive other O-negative blood. Every 2 seconds, a blood transfusion is needed in the United States. So Jeff's job is to set up blood drives at various locations in the area. According to the American Red Cross, all the supplies needed for a blood drive arrive in trucks like this one. Every day, around 12 to 14 mobile trucks are sent out in the lower Michigan area. This area covers around 60 counties. Jody said that the Red Cross hopes for 500 to 600 pints a day from the Great Lakes chapter, and those donations are tested for diseases such as HIV, malaria, and hepatitis.
And that just goes to show you how far we've come in regards to testing blood and making it safe. And you feel pretty good about helping somebody when you're done.
So whether it be donating, volunteering, or simply showing up and trying, the Red Cross stresses the importance of participating and the difference you can make in someone's life. In Meridian Township, Melissa Sebring, Home TV.